Hey, what's up guys, I hope that all of you are doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the One UI 8 build status for the Samsung Galaxy A series. So after the One UI 7 update, the One UI 8 update is one of the most anticipated update, and it was released with the Samsung's latest Z Flip and Z Fold series. Talking about the beta version, so the beta version is already available for the Samsung Galaxy S25 series, while the other devices have to wait for the official build. And the good news is that the official build has started for the Samsung Galaxy A series, including the A56, A36, A55, A35, A54, A34, A33, A53. These are the Samsung Galaxy A series devices according to the Tarun Watt on Twitter, which will be getting the One UI 8 update, and their build has started. If you talk about the One UI 8 update, so the One UI 8 update will not bring as such UI changes that were there before with the One UI 7 update. It will be an enhanced version of the One UI 7 update with some integration of Gemini into the One UI. And obviously with the One UI 8 update, we'll get to see the Android 16 update on our devices as well. And the most important part, hopefully we will get to see a battery drain issue fix with the One UI 8 update that was there before on the Samsung Galaxy A series. I am facing a battery drain issue on my Samsung Galaxy A34. Let me know in the comment section that are you facing a battery drain or not. Further, if we talk about the release date of the One UI 8 update, so the release date has not announced yet, and we are currently on the beta 4 update. But there are high chances that by the end of August or September, we might get to see the official update. And this update will be first of all released for the Samsung Galaxy flagship series, then it will be released for the mid-range A series. And that's all for today's video. This was the latest news regarding the One UI 8 update. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.